Hello friends, welcome back to my channel at fashionbook sabir. Friends, today we'll learn how to make princess cut blouse size 32. And friends, this video it will be in English language. And I humble request you, please don't skip this video because this video is very important, friends. So please watch carefully and enjoy. Let's start. Friends, this is a measurement sheet of 32 size. You can take a screenshot of this. So please take it. And friends, first of all, our pattern should be straight. Then we'll mark half inch for semi allowance at shoulder and we'll mark same 0.5 inch at center back. So this is the back and we'll mark for length. So length we'll mark for length 13.5 including margin. Okay. Same mark here. Then do a straight. Then we will mark for armhole drop 6 inch and apex point 10 inch. Same mark another place. So our line should be straight. So do a straight mark. Same here. Okay friends. So now we will mark for back neck drop 10 inch. After stitching it will be 10 and a half. Please take care. Then we will mark for neck width, okay, 3.5 inch. Okay friends, if we will mark 3.5 inch, so after stitching it will be 4 and into 2 8 inch. Okay, then straight mark. Okay, and now we will mark 1.5 inch because this is a different back, so please take care carefully. We mark 1.5 inch, then we'll give a round shape by French curve, right, like this. See, and 0.5 inch we'll mark below this line 0.5 inch, you can see, and we'll mark 1 inch from here, and we'll do a straight mark from neck to a chest line. Okay, this is neck and this is chest line, and chest line to waist. We'll mark chest line to waist line. We can see this is a designer blouse. You can see this part will cut. Okay, we can see. And now we'll mark for waist, but our waist is 26 inch, so uh, uh, 26 divided by 4, so 6.5, and 1 inch waist dart, so 7.5, and 1.5 inch similar, so total we'll mark 9 inch. Okay, so we'll mark 1.5 inch similar. Now we'll mark 3 inch from center back and 1 inch dart depth. Okay, and here mark 3.5 inch. So apex point dart placement is 3.5 inch at top level. Okay, so now we'll mark for chest. Okay, 8 inch and 1.5 inch similons. Okay, then we'll do a straight mark, and same here. So one mark is cutting and one mark is stitching. Okay friends, now we'll mark for shoulder. Shoulder, we need to 1.5 inch ready shoulder strap, so we'll mark 2.5 inch here. After stitching it will be ready 1.5 inch. So same you will can mark below and do a straight mark. Then we'll give armhole shape by French curve. You can correct if your mark is not good. And again we'll do a shoulder slope 0.5 inch. So back drafting is complete. Okay friends, so now we will cut. After cutting we'll make front part, so please see carefully friends. please don't skipping video, friends. So you can see how I'm cutting uh, where is back dart. You can see you have to do same thing. After dart closing, you can cut. Then I'm showing seam allowance. Okay, you can do same if you will try again and again. So it is a very easy, but need here practice. So you can see I'm adding a seam allowance. I'm also adding here 0.5 inch at waist. So back is complete, so you can write here back and size 32 size. So now we'll make front, friends. So you first you will have to fold back margin. Okay, then you can put on another pattern paper and put anything on pattern and copy. I'm copying back same. So I'm copying with a different color, you can see, so that we can see what is the different between back and front, how can make it from back to front. Okay, friends. So now you can see I'm copied. And now we'll mark it waistline. Okay. Second, we'll mark it apex point line. And third, we'll mark it shoulder line. Okay. Just I'm highlighting with black marker. Okay. So friends, we'll plus 0.5 in chest. This is the first change, and second changes will plus 1 inch at waist, because our back dart depth is 1 inch and we'll keep front dart depth 2 inch. That's why you have to plus 1 inch in waist. Okay. And apex point is 3.5 inch, and dart placement is 3 and plus 2 inch dart. Okay, dart depth. Okay, friends, one more thing, we have to plus 1 inch in length. Okay, so there are 3 changes in this pattern from back to front. One, length; second, waist; and third, chest. Okay, friends. Now we'll draw front dart. So this dart is on reject. Okay. Now we'll mark it side. Okay. And we'll mark another. You can see there is back length is plus 1 inch. So how to adjust it? Please take care. We'll mark 1.5 inch in seam allowance. You can see, friends, changes. Okay, 7.5 inch we'll mark for front neck drop. Okay, and 3.5 inch here. You can see 3.5 inch neck width, and same you will mark 3.5 inch at bottom. Then straight mark. Okay, after that we'll fold measuring tab in the half. Then we'll do front neck shape by French curve. You can see, if you want to, you can do anything. If on neck shape, the neck shape is a design part. Then we will mark 3 inch for across front and mark inside quarter inch. It's mean 2.5 inch. Then we'll mark 2 inch, then 0.5 inch. So we'll mark by French curve and do round shape at apex point. As always, you have to mark round shape at apex point first, then do dart shape at armhole again. Then friends, we'll mark it princess seam shape darts. You can see. Again we will mark first line how much, again you will compare it, and which is the plus, so you have to reduce this, and 1 inch you have to reduce side seam, and again we will mark like this. Okay, this will cut. We'll cut from outside because we have to create armhole dart. Then first we'll cut princess seam. Then you can see how to create front armhole. We have to put first at shoulder, second at across front, and third one armhole, and do mark by French curve. So you can see. We'll cut from below line. Okay. Friends, please see carefully. Don't skip, please. Okay, now we'll cut our side front part. So you can see at apex area it must be rounded point. So friends, you can see our back and front side seam is equal. You must be compare after cutting. Okay friends. So now I'm marking for seam allowance. See carefully here. You have to. This is a first of all side part and front, and size 32. I'm saying you have to add here margin. See carefully. Don't mistake here. Where is margin is not showing, that's mean you have to add seam allowance. Okay, only you have to, this is a fold friends, you can see. Okay friends, add, where is I'm writing add, that there is need to add seam allowance. Okay, so you can see friends, pattern is complete. So now we will cut fabric. Okay, back, front, and okay, so now we will cut fabric. Fabric will cut according to pattern. First we'll cut lining, then we'll cut cell. Okay friends, so you can see I'm marking first lining, we'll cut lining, then we'll cut cell. And I will share important point of stitching, so please don't skipping. Friend, you can see I'm adding seam allowance here. I'm already told you during pattern making. See, I'm adding 0.5 inch seam allowance in princess seam. So friends, cutting is complete. So you can see cutting. This is the front part. Okay, so I'm sharing important point how to attach curve. So first of all, you will fold from center and both side and mark in center. Okay, we'll mark in center, then we'll mark at princess point. Okay, you can see mark in my princess seam garment. Okay, see, then you will get help by a pin. See, then we'll insert in machine, and at center point again you will remove a ball pin and will stitch at center only. There is no need to more stitch, only you can stitch 0.5 inch and 0.5 inch to 3/4 inch, it is enough. You can see I pad I attached in lining. There is need to two linings, friends. If if you are adding line pad in, so there is need to two layer of lining, because the pad is showing from outside. That's why you have to adding two layer of lining. If your fabric is thicker, so there is no need. Okay, and see how can stitch, how can control in armhole. You can see where is your fabric is stretching, so you have to stitch like this. So see how I am controlling my fabric. See, there is a stretching fabric. See, you can see. So I am controlling. How can you can see? You can put finger back side. See how I am stitching. I hope you are saying carefully. Okay, friends. So this is a technique of stitching where its fabric is stretching. So how can control it? So I'm packing pad with another lining. So my pad is packed in both lining inside. Then we will tuck in another lining. So you can see this is my another lining. You have to stitch in both lining though, so I'm tucking in both layers now. So friends, you can see final look of this blouse. Okay, how is looking? Please comment me. See friends, this will look like brand touch. This is really, friends, this really finishing is very nice. Okay, you can see how I'm finishing it waist. Okay, friends. Okay. Friends, I hope you like this video, and I request you please share this video in your friends and family group, and we'll meet in next video. Till now, take care. Bye bye.